Hello. So the question was how to combine a door list and a rollout list together. I honestly gave a little bit of a convoluted answer using SQL joins and such and unions. And I found out it's actually a lot easier to do than I thought. So if we look here at my door list, you see there's an asterisk beside it. So that means it's a custom report. So when I click on it, there we go. We can see I have my door list information and my rollout information. Now, how did I do that? I actually did it really, really easily. So what we're going to do is we're going to recreate it fairly quickly. We're going to click Set Up Reports, and you see I have a couple of these reports here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete my door list, and I'm going to delete my rollout list. So it's like we were creating everything from scratch. Now I've organized everything by tag. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for door list, which, let's see, the one in question was DLP005, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to right click on it and select copy, call it my door list. Hit OK. Modify it, do whatever I need to do to get it to show the information I want. Then I'm going to find rollout list, and there we go. The one that wanted to be combined in was rollout list ROLL05, and there's that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right click and select copy, call it my rollout list. We're not going to use it exactly. What we're going to be doing with it is pulling information that we can copy and paste into the other report. So the first thing we want to do is make sure my rollout list is selected and click Report Properties. Then we're going to go to Rollouts table. We're going to change over to the SQL tab, and we're just going to make sure this is all highlighted. So I'm going to go Control Home on my keyboard, then Control Shift End to highlight everything in the box, and then once again Control and this time C to copy it to my clipboard, the Windows clipboard that holds all the information that we copy. So I'm going to close this, go to Report Properties. Oh, sorry. I'm going to close this, go to My Door List, then select Report Properties. Now in my tables, I want to add my rollout table. So I'm going to go Add New Table. And all I want to do is, I don't care about any of the information right here right now. I just want to click the plus symbol, add a single field, and hit Finish. That's it. I'm going to go to Name, change it to Rollouts, select the SQL tab, select all of the information here, and hit Control V. So now I've got the data that I need. I'm not done with this table because there's one bit of information that's missing, and that's this cabinet quantity field. We need that to be pulled from the other report as well. So we'll close this, go back to my rollout list, Report Properties, select Rollouts, and remember the field or the table name in my door list needs to match what it is here. So if you want to make sure that you got it copied properly, you can just select this field, Control C, and then paste it into the other one, which is what we're going to do with this. We're going to select the cabinet quantity field, Control C on our keyboard to copy to the clipboard, close my door list, Report Properties, and select the rollouts. Then go to cabinet quantity and Control V to paste it in, and there we go. Now, well, kind of done. We go to our filter as well. So if we want to be able to filter things in, we need to enter rollouts dot square bracket cabinet ID square bracket. All right, and we can make sure that that's the correct one by going again to my rollout list, Report Properties, select it, and go to the filter, and you see it's exactly what I typed. So now we're done with setting up the tables. All we have to do now is get the information from the report into the other one. And how do we do that? Well, we're going to do a little bit more copy and pasting. So I'm going to have that selected and hit Design Report. All right, now here's the wonderful part. I'm going to just right click on Table Reports and select Copy Element into Clipboard, and that has now put that into the Windows clipboard. I can close the report, select My Door List, go to Design Report, and just hit the Paste button, and there we go. I now have all the information that I need. I can now edit this table to suit this whatever needs I have and be done. I can just hit save, close, and then when we go to view it, there we go. We have all the information we need. Hope this was helpful and shows you some extra functionality in the report center.